guys, welcome back. It's the weekend and I finally have some time to play with my plants. So today I really wanted to repot my philodendron burle Marx Fantasy because I'm not sure if I told you guys, but she's struggling ever since I dropped her and she fell out of the pot with that big ass stick or stake or wooden plank. It's definitely a wooden plank. But ever since I dropped that plant, I can't even touch it. Like, it's not even fun anymore because I can't take pictures of it, I can't move it. Well, I can take pictures of it, but the spot that it's in, I don't really like. I need to like secure it so I'm able to move it around, take pictures of it, and love on it like I love the rest of my plants. Like, I can't even hold this plant without holding the stick because it will literally fall. The only way this plant is surviving right now is because it's leaned up against a wall, like where my big plant shelf is in the living room. It's leaned up against the wall usually. But like having it like this, it'll literally fall in like 2 seconds. So I need to get this out of here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to like upsize too much. I'm just gonna put the plant into this pot, so the cover pot. I'm taking it out of this pot. Oh, look at that juicy root down there. How am I gonna get that out though? Oh my god. I think it's gonna be a little unsafe, but wow. So I was complaining because this leaf right here came out all short and chunky, unlike these slender, long, beautiful leaves that the previous owner grew. But look at the new leaf that's coming out. It's so freaking gorgeous. Look at the color on that. That light pink hue with the green. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The camera's not even picking up how pretty this is, but I cannot get over this leaf. And look at the shape of it. It kind of looks a little weird, honestly, but it's so gorgeous. I cannot stop staring at it. So let's get her out of here because I can't. Like, this is dangerous. But what I'm doing, I'm just gonna dump it. You guys already know the drill when it comes to repot. Oh, I'm actually gonna go rinse out all the nasty in there. And I'll be right back. So I actually did not rinse out the pot. This is a different pot. No! Oh my god, it's stuck in the pot because of that root at the bottom. I only have 2 hands. I can't like, Oh, I got it. And it didn't break, guys. It didn't break. It came out unscathed. I'm so happy. Nice chunky little root system. I think I repotted this plant on camera and then I scrapped the video. I actually had another video that I just scrapped and I repotted my alocasia Jacqueline, so you guys didn't even see that. But I'll show you her when I'm done all of this. She needed to be repotted because I think I told you guys that she needed to be repotted because I didn't think the plant had enough room to produce more roots. Like, the pot was pretty packed with roots, so I got her into a bigger pot, a self-watering pot, and hopefully she does good. I remember when I moved my alocasia dragon scale to a self-watering pot and that shit died. I kind of want that plant again. I'm currently building up another plantee wish list, and an alocasia dragon scale is definitely on the list. I've owned that plant twice and killed it twice, but I think the third time will be the charm. So stay tuned for that. But I'm just putting her back in the pot. I don't have that much medium in here. And I'm just gonna lay her in here. Oh, shizzle my nizzle. I just can't have that stick wobbling like that. Like, that was stressful. I should have did this a long time ago, but the plant was just doing so good in this little pot. I didn't want to disrupt it, but let's backfill and keep it pushing. So this is what she's looking like now. Her stick is a lot more stable. Like, I can hold it here on either side without it completely tipping over, which is a plus. That was my goal here. And I'm just gonna water her a little bit. I've been using the same mixture of the Dynagrow Foliage Pro, the CalMag, and Super Thrive in here. And I think it's doing good. Couldn't really tell ya. I mean, my plants aren't dead and they're growing, so that's a plus. I grabbed my little prop station to propagate the Cebu Blue Pothos in. I think I might take this varicosum prop out. Look at this leaf, like, come on. A lot of the other philodendron verrucosum propagations, I chopped the leaf off because the leaf completely died. But there's still growth in there. I'll update you guys on those soon. Or should I just show you now? I'll just show you this one, but this is what I mean. There's like a little growth there when I cut off the leaf. So that makes me very happy. Hopefully I get some good verrucosum plants out of these propagations. But I really wanted to show you guys my alocasia Jacqueline because like I said, I just repotted her. So this is the pot that I potted her in. It's a self-watering pot. We got the wicks down there. Does she need water? You can literally see that it's pretty dry in there. So I have to keep an eye on this plant and make sure it doesn't dry out too much. But it looks like it started to spread out already. These two big leaves were like overlapped. And now they're spreading out quite a bit. So she is doing okay in here. And I'm glad she has more surface on the top to spread out because that was the issue. And we actually have a new leaf coming out right here. So I'm super excited to watch that. I honestly never thought my alocasia would get to this point because when I first got it, it was just a nub. If you guys remember, I literally just had the bulb in the pot. And then it grew into this within the last few months. So I'm very happy with this plant and very proud that I grew it to this and I didn't give up on it like the rest of my alocasia. But I don't think I did anything that different besides stop watering it for a little while. I don't know, but I'm definitely getting an alocasia dragon scale again because that plant was so gorgeous. And I don't know about you guys, but I love plant photography just as much as I love plants, and that is a beauty to capture on camera. I love that plant. If you guys have been following me for a while and been on my Cebu Blue Pothos journey, you should know that I bought a big plant, potted up the propagations into a few pots, and right now I have one Cebu Blue Pothos plant that's about 4 feet long. As much as I love that plant, I miss having Cebu Blue Pothos propagations and watching them grow into the beautiful plant that I have now. So I want to get one restarted, so we are going to take a pretty decent chop off of that plant. So currently my Cebu Blue Pothos almost touches the floor. So let's chop her up. I just grabbed my Cebu Blue Pothos and I think it's longer. It's definitely over 5 feet because it's touching the floor. So I really want to propagate it and restart another plant so I can get one to grow as luscious. Guys, look at how beautiful this plant is. Like seriously, just let's bask in all the Pothos deliciousness. But I love this plant. I can't even believe that it grew this long. Can you? I can't. But let's take a nice chop because we need to get another one started so we can have a bunch of these hanging around, not just this one. Okay, so we have, oh, should I? Why did I put this back in here? This can go here. But I think I'm literally just gonna give her like a little haircut. I don't really want to chop her, but I do want another plant soon. So let's not chop too much. How about that? Plants can get a haircut, guys. It's all good. I don't want to cut where there's not a node though. So I'm just gonna start snipping into this little bunch right here until I can pull away safely. Here are the props right here. Oh my God, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to have another Cebu Blue Pothos plant. I'll show you guys what she looks like now. Let's hold her up to my head again and see what she looks like. Oh my God, she's not touching the floor. I think I took about 1 foot off, guys. I've done this before. I just killed all the props because I didn't keep up with them. I think I actually still have some. Hold on. No, I have a bunch of cups like this with just a bunch of props in there. I actually took them out of that little prop vessel and I put them all in here because they were wicked long. Like, look at all of those roots. Crazy. Okay, let's get this prop vessel filled up. I got some of my Clone X gel. Let's take the one that came out first. Oh my God. Look at this shit. What is going on there? I really didn't want to do individual cuttings, but is that the best bet? Like, I'm not sure how else to go about this. Take a little Clone X gel and put it on the root. You know what's easier though? Probably just dropping it in the water. I don't understand what the difference. Ew, this looks bad. Like, this is not the color it's supposed to be. It's usually purple, guys. Like, hold on, I'll show you close up. Like, why is it brown? Probably because it's been stored in a clear container, but look at this. That is brown. I mean, I hope it's not gonna do any damage, but ew. Ew, what's in there? Oh, that's not perlite. That's sphagnum moss from my philodendron verrucosum. So I'm just dropping it in there so I'm not dabbing this on every single propagation. And now we can just stick them in. It's just easier. So boop, so cute. I love Cebu Blue Pothos, it's so pretty. There we go. I'm looking on the backs of the leaves for any pests because nobody wants that. Boop. And just, you know. Now we have a full prop station of Cebu Blue Pothos. They look so full and good. I cannot wait to pot these up. Probably will be able to get 2 plants out of this, maybe more, because we have this one as well. Super freaking cute. I love it. Very happy I did this today. But that does bring me to the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because why wouldn't you? Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And until my next video, bye guys.